So let's talk about how Bellafill is different from other fillers. I've mentioned before that Bellafill lasts a lot longer than other fillers, and that is its primary advantage. But I want to talk specifically about kind of what to expect in that first year, because its pattern, its behavior is a bit different than other fillers. With most fillers, we put the product in and your body slowly degrades that filler, so your enhancement, your cosmetic benefit slowly decreases over that first year. Bellafill is different. It's made of both collagen and something called PMMA, which is a synthetic but biocompatible substance, which means it's safe. And basically what happens, we inject it, your body's going to break down the collagen component over the first month or two. And it may seem like your filling effect is diminishing over that time. That's okay, don't be worried, because then over the next several months, that filling effect is going to increase again, because that PMMA is going to stimulate and support collagen around itself. So if I can show you visually, so most fillers start here and they just gradually go away. With Bellafill, we start here, we get a little dip, but then it starts to fill back in, and then it just stays a lot longer than other fillers that were just slowly going away. So that is how Bellafill works and why it lasts so much longer than the other fillers.